far as I can get. Let's see if I can. Got that. I have GPS mode, all of that stuff. Okay, that's what we got for flashing lights. I've tried this on 2 different devices. That's an older tablet, but it has the Go 4 app on it. And my phone is an LG G6 Android. And I can't get past this part. It will not let me, it will not go farther than this. So I don't know what else to do. I've tried everything I can think of, and I don't know what else to do. Okay, day 2, trying to get this thing loaded. I'm trying to do it on an Android and Windows, so we're going to see what happens today. Getting very frustrated. So, day 2, the saga of firmware upload. This is very frustrating for somebody that's brand new getting into doing drones, and the first thing you have to deal with is you can't get anything to update. This is just so frustrating to try and get this thing just to be able to go out and fly it for the first time. Have I said I'm frustrated? I'm a little frustrated. Much money. This, we're going to click that. We're going to click this and click it again, and it's going. All right, we have success. We're now downloading. Found out through some research that I can use an iPhone instead of my Android stuff to do the firmware update. So we're going to try that and see how far we get, and I'll let you guys know what's going on here in a little bit. So we'll see you after a while. I borrowed a neighbor's iPhone and uploaded everything and got the aircraft done, but now I can't get my phone to connect to the aircraft. So that's the next problem. After some research on YouTube and on some of the Facebook pages that are dedicated to Mavic 2 series aircraft, a lot of people have said that this little wire right here, this connector right here, is the issue with connecting my Android phone to the controller and ultimately to the aircraft. So it was suggested to me to unplug that and plug in the larger cable, the USB cable, to my phone, and I tried that and that didn't work, so I'm thinking my phone is the issue there. But I did have my other Android device, which is a tablet, and everything is hunky-dory there. So we're good to go. We finally got the firmware update done. The controller has been updated. The aircraft has been updated along with all 3 batteries. So now we can finally go fly. I'm excited. It's been a long process here, like 2-3 days just to get the aircraft ready to go fly. And now we're ready to go fly. So thanks for sticking with me through all this. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. If you didn't, I guess you can hit the other one. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell. We'll see you later.